Hi guys, this is Sonic. We are on week number 45 again. So we would like to do our weekly analysis. Alright. Okay, as you can see from here, this week gonna be a quite busy week as well. Actually, last week we didn't notice much of the events coming up, except we supposed to be having Aussie rate decision and only on New Zealand rate decision on the Thursday. But to our surprise, there was a lot of a lot of news coming in. News and speeches coming in by this week alone itself. As you can see from here, we have Draghi speaking. Actually, now he's speaking right now, and of course tomorrow, which is around Thursday morning, around 3:30 a.m. in the early morning, we have Janet Yellen will be speaking, and of course I think that they're gonna be quite a big impactful one will be on Friday. We have SNB Jordan will be speaking as well. So we still got quite a little bit of big news to go, or big speeches to go rather. We have Janet Yellen, Draghi, and of course Jordan will be speaking. So please watch it out on those related pairs. All right. So let's do some pair analysis here. Okay, this is gold. Okay, remember we were talking about the not so bearishness on the gold on the last week. If you move back and watch our video, okay, that was what is happening. And this week, in our favor, gold start to show the signs of bullishness already. Okay, just to make sure, when they are trying to do this kind of swapping, it's gonna be quite messy. That means they may not be immediately going up or going down immediately. Of course, we are expecting going up in the longer term, but the likelihood of swinging left and right is very high. So please make sure that you don't go in with a very tight stop loss and stuff like that, because if you go with the tight stop loss in this kind of swapping period, either you go long or short doesn't really matter, because the chance of being so-called whipsaw is very high. Okay, so I can say that gold is in the slightly bullish mode, and of course they are in the swapping phase. So if you want to take some position, just to make sure that you take with the proper lot sizing, proper enough spacing for the trade to breathe. Okay. Okay, all right, then another one, James. Okay, another one is a US market. Okay, as you can see from here, US market, there's no way I should be bearish about. Okay, to me now it's in the very strong bullish mode. Looks like everybody is agreeing on one particular direction. That means at the moment it's bullish. So in my opinion, it can go up a lot higher at the moment, but okay, this really remind me of somewhere 2008. Okay, please mark my word on this one. So in my opinion, they can go a little bit more higher. I mean, maybe they last a week or they may last a month, right? If they keep on going up in that manner, I think the end result will be quite messy. All right, but of course until then we are not going to say that it's a bearish or whatever, because as you can see from here, is on the vertical rise up, almost 45 degrees, right? There is no way we can call it like a top or whatever. It can go up a lot more, but in my opinion the end game is not very good. Okay, so for now I'm standing with bull for now. All right, another one is UJ here. Okay, last week we are kind of like warning you guys that okay, their likelihood of bearishness is coming in, and in my opinion it is kind of stay valid, but as you know, we haven't really seen any strong bearish candles so far yet. Of course, we can see there are a lot of pin coming in, right? There are a lot of pin coming in, and they are nicely they are nicely trying to break this very strong level of resistance. Okay, in my opinion, if you want to be bearish, or which you should be, but you should be patient first, because currently I have not really seen anything much to be bearish about. So at least, okay, if you have a bearish position, if you have a short position, try not to add another short position recklessly, because we have not really seen any more sign of bearishness just yet. So we need to see, like in weekly time frame, it's better that if we have a bearish weekly candle showing up first. Okay, so currently we have yet to see a lot of bearishness yet. Okay, another one is UCAD. Okay, UCAD, if you go back and read watch our review video last week, okay, we are telling that there's some sort of bearishness coming in already. So now it's already unfolding, in my opinion. Currently they are sort of like being stopped by the around 1.27 level, which is a very nice support level at this moment. So for the first round, of course they defend it well, but in my opinion they will get broken down sooner or later. All right, so if you're looking for a direction, I will be standing with the slightly bearishness first. Of course they will come back here. It's around 1.268, 1.27 level gonna be a big resistance level, big support level again. All right, so we got to see this level got break or not. In my opinion, they will break sooner or later. All right, this is all I have for this week. I will be watching gold. Of course, I'll be watching UJ. I would like to see the bearish candle to show up soon, especially in the weekly time frame. So it's more of I'm in the waiting mode at the moment. All right, so thank you for watching. I will let James take over. He got something to share as well. Thank you.
All right, so I'll be sharing three pairs or three forex pair that I have some market outlooks on it in this upcoming week. First and foremost will be the pound yen. Alright, so we are looking at pound strengthening in this upcoming week. So what I'm seeing is that price are in a retrace, but I am not going to look for a position right now until they are at a level which I deem that is considered as a low risk entry to enter. It's considered like the top, which is around the 150.956. Let's talk about round number 151. So about this 151 level, I'll be looking to take a short trade, seeing that there could be some impulsive down move coming in alongside when you reach this level again. Alright, so the target area that I'm looking at will be at this 146 level. So I will be looking to short pound yen right now, but not right now. In this upcoming week, should price were to go up to a place that I deem as the top already and ended up with a very nice bear candle. Alright, so up next, okay, the next pound pair that I'm looking at is the pound to the New Zealand dollars. So the pound to the New Zealand dollars, we can see that price has just made a down move from its resistance level after being with such a big sell down candle. So I am similar to the pound to the yen. I'm still waiting for price to retrace up to a price which I see it as a low risk entry level, which is around 1.9215 level. So around this level, I'll be looking then for a nice red candle, a bear candle, for me to qualify as a short trade. So areas of support that I could look up for DP will be at the next congestion level around 1.88 zone. Alright, so the 1.88 will be seeing it as the next support level, which I could see price fall to. Okay, next. Lastly, so this pair I has been talking about it for quite some time for the inner circle guys. So the New Zealand to Canadian dollar, so long as 0.89 zones hold, alright, I'm bearish on this pair. So this is my forecast for the upcoming weeks. So I'm saying that as long as this level hold, we could see price make even lower low. Alright, so we have such a nice downtrend, and I see that it will still continue so long as this level hold, and areas of support that we could go to will be around this 0.86 level. Alright, so yeah, this is all for week 45 from the Sonic R Mastery team. So we have a hope that you have a nice week ahead. Thank you.